This is a retrofit demonstration of the Marsh Retrofit board. First, we will attack the measurement of the existing surface. We'll separate the board into 3 horizontal sections: top, middle, and bottom. Next, we'll identify the frame sections. Then we'll measure between the frames at the top, middle, and bottom from left side to right side. We will now separate the board into 3 sections vertically. Identify the frame sections again and measure between them right side, middle, and left side. These will be the measurements that you will provide to your authorized Marsh dealer. The boards will be manufactured and arrive in as little as 10 days. When the boards arrive, you will need some simple supplies: liquid nails, screws that are provided with the board, and an electric screw gun. The installation is simple and should be done as follows. We are demonstrating a Marsh Retrofit marker board. It sits right on the existing tray. It installs with the self-drilling screws that have been provided. It's a porcelain steel magnetic writing surface. It's rated for 50 years of daily use in the classroom. For those who want to do away with the chalkboard that's messy and dusty and so forth, yet do not want to pay for demolition of the chalkboards or the walls that are connected to it, Retrofit is a very cost-effective way to get a wonderful new surface. Retrofit boards are available in magnetic and non-magnetic, and they go up very quickly and easily with simple tools, as you can see. For more information, contact your Marsh authorized dealer today.